Before you scroll away, do me one small favor. If you're over 60 and you want your legs to stay strong, steady, and reliable for years to come, tap the like button right now and stay with me until the end of this video. What I'm about to share could change how you move, how you walk, and how confident you feel in your body, without squats, without pain, and without pushing your joints beyond what they can handle. You see, most people think weakness after 60 is just part of aging. They believe sore knees, shaky legs, and trouble standing up are unavoidable. But that's not actually what's happening. What's really happening is that certain muscles quietly stop doing their job, especially the glutes and the muscles of the legs. And when those muscles go dormant, your body starts compensating in all the wrong places. Your knees take more stress. Your hips feel stiff. Your lower back works overtime. Balance starts slipping. Confidence starts fading. And suddenly everyday movements feel harder than they should. The truth is, your body doesn't forget how to be strong. It just needs the right signals again. And after 60, the way you send those signals matters more than ever. This is why squats, even though everyone talks about them, are not always the best answer. For many older adults, squats put too much pressure on aging knees, tight hips, or sensitive lower backs. And when an exercise hurts, the body doesn't get stronger, it shuts down. Today, I'm going to walk you through 6 simple, safe exercises that rebuild strong glutes and legs without squats. These movements are designed specifically for people over 60. They're gentle, controlled, and incredibly effective. If you practice them consistently, they can help you stand up easier, walk more smoothly, climb stairs with confidence, and feel steady on your feet again. Let's start by changing how you think about strength. Strength after 60 isn't about how much weight you lift. It's about how well your muscles communicate with your brain. And the first muscles we need to wake up are the glutes. The glutes are the largest muscles in your body, and they're meant to support your hips, protect your knees, and stabilize your spine. But years of sitting slowly turn them off. When that happens, your legs feel weak even if you're still active. So the first movement is done sitting down. Find a sturdy chair and sit tall with your feet flat on the floor. Now gently press your heels into the ground and squeeze your glutes as if you're trying to lift your body just slightly off the chair. You may barely move, and that's perfectly fine. What matters is the squeeze. Hold it for a few seconds, then relax. As simple as this looks, it sends a powerful message to your nervous system. It tells your body that those muscles are needed again. Many people are surprised how quickly they feel warmth or light fatigue here. That's a sign your glutes are waking up. As you continue breathing calmly, repeat this slow squeeze and release. No rushing. No forcing. Strength at this stage of life grows through control. And when your glutes start firing again, your knees and lower back immediately feel less stressed. Now stay seated for the next movement. Sit tall, keep your chest open, and slowly extend one leg out in front of you. As you lift it, focus on tightening the front of the thigh and the glute at the same time. Hold briefly, then lower it with control and switch sides. This movement strengthens the muscles that stabilize your knee when you walk. If you've ever felt like your knee might buckle or your step feels uncertain, this is one of the most important exercises you can do. Move slowly and stay relaxed. Your body learns best when it feels safe. Over time, this builds strength that directly transfers to walking, standing, and staying balanced. Now let's move into a standing position. Stand behind a chair or near a wall so you feel supported. Place your weight evenly through both feet and stand tall. From here, gently slide one leg straight back behind you. Don't lean forward. Keep your chest upright. The movement doesn't need to be big. What matters is that you squeeze the glute of the leg moving back. Hold for a moment, then return to the start and switch sides. This exercise retrains your body to use the glutes when you walk. Many people over 60 start walking by pulling themselves forward with their lower back instead of pushing with their hips. That's one reason walking can feel tiring or uncomfortable. When the glutes do their job, walking feels smoother and lighter. As you repeat this movement, notice how stable you feel. If balance feels challenging, that's okay. Hold the chair. Strength and balance grow together. Now we're going to gently challenge balance even more, because strong legs without balance still leave you vulnerable. Stand tall and shift your weight onto one leg. You don't have to lift the other foot high. Even lifting the heel slightly is enough. As you stand on one leg, gently squeeze the glute of the standing leg and keep breathing. This teaches your body how to stabilize itself, which is critical for fall prevention. Many falls happen not because people are weak, but because their body doesn't react quickly enough to shifts in weight. This exercise trains that response in a safe way. Now let's return to the chair for one of the most important movements of all. Sit down and place your feet slightly wider than hip width. Lean forward just a little from your hips, not your back. Press through your heels and slowly stand up, focusing on squeezing your glutes as you rise. If needed, use your hands lightly on the chair. Then sit back down slowly and with control. This movement directly trains the muscles you use to get out of chairs, off the couch, and out of the car. When this becomes easier, daily life becomes easier. This is functional strength, strength that actually matters. And finally, let's finish with a gentle but powerful exercise you can do on the floor or on a firm bed. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Relax your shoulders. Slowly lift your hips just a few inches by squeezing your glutes. Hold for a moment, then lower down slowly. This strengthens the glutes, the backs of the legs, and supports the lower spine. Many people notice less stiffness in their back and hips when they do this regularly. Again, small movements are enough. Your body doesn't need extreme positions to get stronger. Now here's something important I want you to hear clearly. You do not need to do all of these exercises for a long time. 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough to create change if you're consistent. Muscles respond to repetition, not punishment. And yes, your muscles can still get stronger in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. If you ever feel sharp pain, stop and reduce the movement. Discomfort in muscles is okay. Pain in joints is not. Always listen to your body. If you stay consistent, most people notice improvements within a few weeks. Standing feels easier. Walking feels steadier. Balance improves. And confidence starts coming back. That confidence is everything because when you trust your body, you move more, and movement is what keeps you young. If this video is helping you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share it with someone over 60 who wants to stay strong and independent. I create content specifically for people who want to age smart, not fragile. Remember this. Aging doesn't mean giving up strength. It means training it differently. Your legs and glutes are your foundation. Take care of them, and they'll support you for the rest of your life. Stay with me, stay consistent, and remind yourself every day, you're not too old to get stronger.